Hey everybody, the Rose here. Doing a special tutorial for you guys. I normally don't do tutorials like this, but I'm doing it this one time because somebody asked me how to rip DVDs to get the video files onto a computer. So this is the only way I know how to do it. So I'm making this tutorial basically to help out the one person, and whoever else watches it, maybe it'll help you guys too. So to rip a DVD, you want to go on your browser, like so, and you want to go to a website called magicdvdripper.com. Say it, magicdvdripper.com. Let the page load a minute. You want to scroll down a bit. You want to go to Magic DVD Ripper. This is the newest version. It's version 6.1.0. From December of last year. You want to click the download button, and if you're using Chrome like I am, you have to go to this download screen. You want to click on the name of the file once it's done downloading, which hopefully won't take very long. Yeah, it's done downloading. Okay. Click on it, and you want to click Run and install it. I already have it installed, so I'm not going to do this. And then once you do that, I'm sorry, we don't want to. Sorry about that, guys. Once you see that, when you install it and everything, you'll get it on your desktop. And then what you want to do is you want to insert a DVD and load your Magic DVD Ripper. It looks like this. I'll go ahead and insert a disc. Go. Now you do need to have a disk drive on your computer or laptop, which most of them do unless you're using a netbook. I don't think all netbooks have a disk drive that works. And once you insert your disk, Windows Media Player or whatever probably is going to pop up, because it will. But it's notice it says please insert a DVD, which I did, and it's loading. And it's analyzing the files, and I totally did not need this to pop up at this point, because this is totally screwing up my tutorial now. You go away. Alright, well, you saw for a quick second there it said analyzing file, or whatever, chapters. This is the file itself. This is all of it. It's 1 hour, 11 minutes, 44 seconds. It's I chose the Broly, the Legendary Super Saiyan Dragon Ball Z DVD. You can also choose to record separate pieces if you want to do that, but I always recommend the one with the most chapters. Audio, you can do English. I could rip it in Japanese if I wanted to. Angle, just always leave it set at 1. You want to usually leave these to default unless you want to rip your DVD in Japanese. And if you do, you could even have it rip with subtitles, which is cool. Again, you can leave that. Then you can set the file type that you want. You can set it to a Disney Mix Max player. Never heard of it. iPad format, iPhone, iPod format, MP3 format, digital MPEG 2 format, PS3, PSP format, smartphone format, Windows Media Video, pretty much all the main ones. So you can leave it at AVI or whatever you want to use it for. If you're going to use like Movie Maker with this, I would recommend WMV because they use the best usually. Split mode. Infinite means it's going to burn, it's going to rip the file in all 25 chapters in one file. You can divide it into minutes, which I don't really do that. You can customize the size, or you can do it by chapter, which means every chapter will be its own file. So if I chose by chapter, I would have 25 files after this was done. But I choose infinite. If you're doing ripping something like anime episodes, I would choose by chapter, because it would make it easier to put the episodes back together. And the file name, you can change the name. This here you don't want to change. This is your the destination or whatever. This tells you here, free space, how much you have. It'll always say required space is unknown. Here, you click here, obviously, and you can change your destination and whatnot. I have mine preset to my videos section. And then when you're ready, just click start. So that's simple. So I'm not ready to do mine yet. So I am going to rip this DVD, but I'm not ready to do it yet. As far as this thing goes here, this backup tab, you don't need to use this. I don't use it. You do not need it. So I don't know what this is doing now, because I really don't know what that's doing, and probably shouldn't have clicked on that. Alright, yeah, so yeah, you don't need it. So with the free version, I have the full version, premium version. The free version, you get access to everything that you do with the full version. You get 5 free. You can start up the program 5 times for free, and you can use the software. You can use MDR, as I like to call it, infinite amount of times, as long as you do not close the program. As long as you don't close the program, your 5 uses will not go down to 0 until you close the program and reopen it. Every time you do that, you lose 1. So that was my tutorial. I hope it was helpful to you, and I could have made it look better than I did, but yeah, that screen popped up at a bad time. So again, I hope this is helpful to you, and just comment, rate, subscribe. Thank you, and peace.